For the convenience of overseas users, I use the English interface to operate this video. This software finally has a name VActor at this time. I made a simple copyright statement for the open source projects used in the project. Now, we support adjusting the transparency of the dialog box, which is very useful for scenes where you need to adjust the effect while watching, for example, the light effect preset to be introduced later. Several interesting lighting effects have been added. Red lantern effect. A bulb. This is the coolest moonlight effect, I think. Fireside effect. Portrait effect. Finally, return to the default light effect, which removes the front shadow and is very similar to the portrait effect. This version allows you to choose your camera. When your PC has multiple cameras, you can choose from here. Now introduce the key function of this version, virtual camera. When you first use it, you need to install a virtual camera. When you don't need it, you can uninstall it from your computer cleanly. Now let me take ops as an example to see how the virtual camera works. I will close all acquisition sources first. To demonstrate the mapping effect, I first add my browser window as the background acquisition source. Now add the virtual camera of VActor. Although we have installed a virtual camera, you will see that the VActor virtual camera device does not appear in the list. You need to turn on the virtual camera in the quick access panel. At this time, you can see a virtual camera named VActor camera. It can be seen that the VActor image has been collected into the ops. Resize. Let's look at some useful settings. This is the perspective angle. You can simply understand it as the focal length. You can also switch to orthographic views. Adjust orthogonal projection area. It also supports the simulation of camera resolution. However, to change the resolution, you may need to add new devices in OBS. Now let's see how to cut the image. First, open the green screen in the Quick Access panel. Use Filter in Ops to extract green background through Chroma key. After that, you can perform motion capture as usual. I only demonstrate video motion capture here. Of course, you can also use the camera to capture motion. Real-time zoom adjustment. Thanks for watching. You can download the software from the on-screen link. If you have any questions, you are welcome to submit an issue to me on GitHub.